hello and welcome to NutriTrack.
Today let's see a dessert with Kattuyanam rice, which is one of the antioxidant rich ancient rice varieties rich in manganese, iron, zinc and many vitamins and minerals. It maintains glucose levels and it is also rich in fiber and calcium. Now let's check out this ancient rice variety Peda, which is a very sweet and a very healthy easy dessert. Here is the nutritive value of 100 grams of this wheat. It is definitely a healthy option for those who want to avoid refined flours and refined sugars.
Hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to NutriTrack for more nutritious recipes and information. Stay healthy with NutriTrack.